guys. Uh, Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's videos, we will learn our second question of SQL question. This is mentioned in LeetCode top 50 question. So let's move fast in LeetCode 50 top 50 question. Login first. Okay. We will create and it will direct automatically log in, and we will select problem section over here. After we will select let's wait. Here is the top 50 SQL questions. As you know that we have covered previous videos. In previous video, we have solved this problem. So if you have not solved this problem, then you must I must recommend to you to go and watch, and then after you should watch this video. Okay. So we will focus on daily. Continue to one question which is mentioned in top 50 question. We will solve daily one questions because if you know just consistency is very important, and if you fall to make consistency daily, it will lead you of very big problems in future, and every hard work can ruin everything because if you don't make consistency regularly, you will totally waste your time. Okay. So I had the question name is find customer referee. Okay. So first we will learn and we will understand what the questions wants, and what is the requirement of this question, and what types of query they demand to me. Okay. So let's dive to it. Here is the column name and type. There is three column name, and every types are given in this column. The first column will be int, and most probably it will be primary key as well. Primary key, what is primary key? Primary key is the unique key that defines that defines the table, and it's uniquely defined. We can identify those all the access all the tables values. Okay, so if you want the definition, what is the real definition of primary key? So let's search about primary key definition. Uh, Here we will search about primary key. What is primary key? It's a column, set of column that's uniquely identified each row. Yeah, just I told you that each the primary key is the key that uniquely identified each row, and primary key is always unique in every row. So always be remember that what is the primary key, and this is the basic definition. And when you are starting the your SQL, so uh, it, uh, let's read the question description. Find the name of customer that are not referred by customer ID, which is two. Okay. So return the result in any order, and the result format is the following example. So they are just saying that find their name from the customer table. These are never referred by ID two. You can see they are referred by two. Here is referred by two. So exclude them every row which are referred by two. So uh, after excluding this row, we will get the final output. Okay. So expect everything. Let's write the code. First, we will write select that we want in our output table to select name from customer. Here is the table name here. Referee ID should not equal to true. I think it's a query that we should run. Let's take. There is the wrong answer. What are they saying? Just wait. Yes, I have understand they are not checking on null value if they never referred. So we will just select all ref Okay, let's see. Yeah, just yeah, they short now, and runtime is total 90 milliseconds. So let's submit this. Yeah, so I need 90% people. And here's the smallest query. So let's say they run in 360 millisecond and what wrote in their query. So you can see is the basic difference between all of me and just use only two line and I used three lines. So maybe the kinds of difference are coming. So let's find out and let's see second query. I think most of the queries are very similar to me, and we don't need any query to review and reverse because they are just all of the guys use same certain same method to solve this query. Okay, so I think we have solved this query and we solved this second problem as well, which is mentioned in the code. Thank you, and I really appreciate your patience to watch this till the end. And I just request you please subscribe this new YouTube channel and support me. Thank you. Thank you.